Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare. Hare Rama, Hare Rama. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare.
In December, Saraswati Thakur returned to Calcutta and stayed at Bagbazar Gaudiya Math. It was here that he gave his last instructions to his disciples. Always preach the message of Sri Rupa Raghunath, the followers of Sri Chaitanya. Our only desire is to become the dust at the feet of the followers of Sri Rupa Raghunath. While staying at Bagbazar Gaudiya Math on January the 1st, 1937 at 5:30 a.m., Saraswati Thakur, who had descended to this world from the personal entourage of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, concluded his earthly pastimes and returned to the abode of the Supreme Lord. Much to the wonder of everyone, all the clocks of the Math stopped at exactly that moment. Arrangements were then made to take Saraswati Thakur's body to Mayapur by train, where he was placed in Samadhi. Along the way, thousands of people gathered to pay their respects to this great personality who had boldly preached the message of Sri Chaitanya for the benefit of all.
A special train from Calcutta to Krishnanagar was arranged, and from Bagbazar Math we carried his holy body to Salda station. From there, that a special train to Krishnanagar. From there, on the roof of a bus, came to this Sarvganja Ghat. From there, we crossed the Saraswati River, and then again we carried by our shoulder to the Math. And there, this place of Samadhi. In the morning we reached. The whole day it took to come from Calcutta, to come to Chaitanya Math. About 7-8 o'clock we reached Chaitanya Math at night. Then the digging of the grave was begun. We were engaged in that ourselves. Then early morning, of course, he was pressed, and there I still remember this dignified figure of an Acharya. He sat in a very dignified position and a very grazing color. His complexion was fair, but after 24 hours, when he was made to sit on a asana, a dignified position of an Acharya, was tall and fair and thin and very soft body. Then of course the salt was given around, and then the salt and the earth came to. After this, he is sitting, I came out. I could not stand to cover his head. I came out, and then I again go cover. The tulsi plant was put there, and we all circumambulated with some song and some reading of Bhagavatam, Haridas Thakur, I especially requested who was chanting the conclusion poetry in Chaitanya Charitamrita commentary made by himself. Prabhupada has his own bhashya in Chaitanya Charitamrita, and in the conclusion he composed a poem, very sweet and very lamenting temperament. I asked to read that poem of him, and it was read. Then Haridas Thakur Nityam and Chaitanya Charitamrita, that was read. And then circumambulation of the Samadhi, the Tulsi plant from that. And one gentleman requested me to chant the same Sri Rupa Manjari Pada. What? 2 days before he requested me to sing, and I sang. So that song was sung by me, and then everything finished.
Rupa Manjari Pada Sei Mara Sampada,
Rupa Manjari Pada Sei Mara Sampada,
Sei Mara Bhajana Puja,
Sei Mara Bhajana Puja,
Sei Mara Pranadhan, Sei Mara Yadharan,
Sei Mara Pranadhan, Sei Mara Yadharan,
Sei Mara Jivane Jivan,
Sei Mara Jivane Jivan.